Good morning, students. Today we will take the examples of condensation polymers, their properties and uses. These polymers are also called as step growth polymer. The example of this type of polymers are polyamides, polyester, phenol formaldehyde, and melamine formaldehyde polymer, etc. First we will take polyamides. These are the polymers which contains amide at linkage. These are prepared by the condensation of polymerization of dibasic acid with dimers with diamines. Dibasic acid with diamines or their derivatives. These polymers are commonly known as nylons. Example are nylon 66, nylon 610, nylon 6. First we will take preparation of nylon 66. Nylon 66. Nylon 66 is a copolymer and condensation polymer. Condensation polymer of two types of monomer unit, hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid. Hexamethylene diamine is NH2, CS26, NH2 N molecule, and adipic acid is this N molecule. They undergo condensation. In condensation, some water molecule is removed. We get -2 and -1 water is removed and we get nylon 66. And times. This is nylon 66. Nylon 66 is so called because it is made up of two types of monomer unit. Both the monomer unit contains 6 carbon. Here is 6 carbon, here is 6 carbon. This is hexamethylene diamine and this is the adipic acid. The other example is nylon 610. It is obtained by the condensation of hexamethylene diamine. This is the formula of hexamethylene diamine and sebacic acid. This is sebacic acid. This undergo polymerization. Here also water is removed, OH from here, H from here, and we get nylon 610. This is nylon 610. It is called 610 because we use two types of monomer which contain, one monomer hexamethylene diamine contains 6 carbon and another get this monomer get 10 carbon. This is sepacic acid. Nylons fibers are so much stronger than the natural material that these can be made much thinner. The availability of such a strong thin thread made possible nearly invisible woven stocking called nylons. Being tough, nylon is used as a substitute for metals in bearing and gears. Nylon fibers do not rot, have high tensile strength and are tough. These are used in the manufacture of carpets, textile fibers and bristle for brushes. Next example is nylon 6. Nylon can also be prepared from a single monomer having a potential amino group at one end and potential carboxy group at the other end. For example, the monomer of caprolactam on heating with water at high temperature polymerize to give nylon 6. First, we will take the preparation of caprolactam. Caprolactam is prepared from cyclohexane. This cyclohexane on oxidation gives cyclohexanone. This on reacting with NH2OH, here water is removed, we get cyclohexanone oxime NOH. This, in presence of concentrated H2SO4, undergoes Beckmann rearrangement. This nitrogen undergoes this ring. We get this. This compound is called caprolactam. Now, this monomer caprolactam in presence of water and heating gives nylon 6. First, this compound break from here. We get NH. This is nylon 6. Nylon 6 is used for the manufacture of tires, tire cord, fabrics and ropes. Next, condensation polymer is polyester. Polyester are those which contain ester linkage. And are prepared by the condensation of polymerization of diacid with diols. diacid with diol. The best example are pterylene, or dacron. In the preparation of pterylene, we take two types of monomer unit. One is ethylene glycol. This is ethylene glycol and molecule. It is ethane 1,2-diol. It is also called ethane 1,2-diol. And another is terephthalic acid. The formula of terephthalic acid is this is terephthalic acid. Both these monomer undergoes condensation at temperature between 420 to 460 Kelvin. Here we use a catalyst, zinc acetate and antimony trioxide. This is zinc acetate and antimony oxide. This is antimony oxide. This is zinc acetate. The reaction takes place. OH is removed from here, H is from air. So we get this is pterylene or dacron. In practice, a better product is obtained by using a trans-esterification process. By this process, we also get another form called mylar. The fiber of pterylene is highly resistant, durable, and has low moisture content. It is also not damaged by pets It is therefore used for the manufacture of wash and wear fabrics, tire cord, seat belt. It also blended with cotton and wool to increase their resistance to wear and tear. The third example of condensation polymerization is phenol formaldehyde. Polymers. Phenol formaldehyde polymers. Example is bakelite, Novelac. First we will take the preparation of Novelac. Novelac is formed by two types of monomer unit, phenol and formaldehyde. This is phenol, this is formaldehyde. In presence of base, they will give orthohydroxymethylphenol or para-hydroxymethylphenol. This is orthohydroxymethylphenol and this is para-hydroxymethylphenol. Now this orthomethoxyphenyl methyl alcohol undergoes condensation to give Novolac. This is a Novolac, which is a linear polymer. This Novolac, on further heating with formaldehyde, this is Novolac, we take this Novolac and further heat it. It undergoes cross-linking to form a solid called bakelite. This Novolac, on heating, undergo cross-linking and gives bakelite. This with formaldehyde. It is heated with formaldehyde. And it undergo cross-linking to give the bakelite. This is cross-linked polymer, that is bakelite. The soft bakelite with low degree of polymerization are used as binding glue for laminated wooden planks and in varnishes. High degree polymerization lead to the formation of hard bakelite, which is highly cross-linked and is thermosetting polymer. It is a scratch and water resistant polymer, and hence it is used for the manufacture of combs, fountain pen barrels, phonograph records, computer disks, etc. It also possesses excellent electrical insulating properties and hence is widely used in making electrical goods such as switches, plug, handles of various utensils, etc. Next is fourth type of condensation polymer is melamine, formaldehyde, polymer. In this polymer, two different types of monomer units are used. One is melamine. The formula of melamine is this. This is melamine. This number 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6. Triamino 135 triazine. This, on reacting with formaldehyde, gives monomer unit for the formation of melamine formaldehyde polymer. Here, this is link here HCH2OH. This is the monomer for formaldehyde melamine polymer. We will take n times of this. And again we will take this polymer. N number of this type of polymer, this type of monomer unit. This undergo polymerization, condensation polymerization, water is removed, H goes from here, OH from here, this is melamine formaldehyde polymer. So student, today we will take the example of condensation polymer, which is also called step growth polymerization. We take the example of polyamides, which contain amide groups. Example nylon 66, nylon 6 and nylon 610. Another we will take the example of polyester, preparation of terylene and dacron. Another example was phenol formaldehyde polymer, bakelite, novelac, and finally we take melamine formaldehyde polymer. Thank you.